Hi, this is Chris from Spreadsheet.com with a quick video showing you how to set print area in Excel. All you have to do is select the range that you want to set as the print area. Go to this Page Layout tab, and under Page Setup, go to Print Area, click Set Print Area. And then if I was to press Control P to check print, it'll automatically be there. You can set a second range by highlighting it. Go into that same menu, clicking Add to Print Area. If they're not one range, though, they will set on two different pages or however many ranges you pick. You can't get them all on one page, unfortunately. You can also set them at the same time by holding Control on your keyboard, selecting both, and following the same steps as before. And that's it. Thanks for watching.